everybody. I am Dr. McDonough, the proud principal here at Palm Springs Middle School. Welcome to Open House. I want to share some important information with you so you get to know a little bit more about our school and our teachers. All right, so first things first, meet our admin team. We have some pretty awesome assistant principals, school counselors, and other people on our campus. Miss Wells is our 6th grade assistant principal. Miss Ramirez is our 7th grade assistant principal. Mr. Perigine, our 8th grade assistant principal. Mr. Ashworth, our community school assistant principal, and Miss Easley, our SSCC. We've also added everyone's email to these slides, so don't worry, you can go on our school website and you'll be able to access the info easily. We also have some new people on campus, and I wanted to share their information as well. Miss Sanchez is our ESOL coordinator. Miss Tuck is our ESC coordinator, and we have some pretty cool deans this year for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. Mr. Schifrin works with our 6th graders. Mr. Glom works with our 7th graders. Mr. Katuch with our 8th graders. He's also athletic director, and Miss Tomei is now our choice coordinator. And then as well, we have our school counselors, also by grade level. Mr. Tatis is our 6th grade school counselor, Mr. Sarah, our 7th grade counselor, Mr. Martin, our 8th grade school counselor, Miss Lacombe works with our ESOL students, and Miss Bayani is our ESC, SBT, and school counseling director. One thing to know about our bell schedule this year that is a little bit different, all of our students have 2 grade level lunches. Also, something that's a little bit different is students have 3 minutes to get from one class to the next. So make sure that you remind your students to hustle in between classes so they get to class on time. We do have some goals here, really, so all of us can be super successful and work with each other, so our kids can be successful. We've shared this info in our newsletter, but really what I want to bring to your attention is the importance of students being on time. The school day does start at 9:30, but it's great when our students are here by 9:20 a.m. We really want to encourage all parents when they can to be part of our SAC meetings. Our next SAC meeting is next Thursday the 21st, and really just communicate with the school and our teachers if you have questions or are concerned, because really our ultimate goal is that everyone is successful, happy, and safe while they are at Palm Springs Middle. I also want to remind everyone of our dismissal procedures. I know that at the end of the day, sometimes there is a lot of traffic, and that is hard. I myself have been in the carpool line, and it's hard. But ultimately, our goal is that all of our kids are safe. So we want to continue to remind you to not pick up your student off campus at the Cumberland, at the gas station, but please take the extra minutes to be in our car line so our kids can be safe. Also, do you want to pop in on us? We do have what is called Parent on Patrol, or POP, and it's open to all parents or guardians for students here at Palm Springs Middle. Really, the initiative is about and was organized in an effort to mitigate repetitive academic and behavioral issues on campus, as well as build effective parent partnerships. If you're interested in popping in, you can contact our grade level assistant principal and we can give you more information, or Miss Sweeney, our awesome new community liaison. Another reminder, we do this year have a new policy, and it's called Away for the Day. And really all that is students, when they are on campus, they have to have their cell phones shut off. They cannot use their phones once they are on campus. They can't use them in the classroom, library, or common areas. So it's really important that you remind your student every single day that once they step onto campus, they have to put their cell phone away. Stingray Pride, I say this every morning. We really want to encourage our students to show their Stingray Pride all day long. They can do that by keeping a positive attitude in everything that they do, R, showing respect to others and our school, I, acting with integrity at all times, D, being dedicated so they excel. We say that every morning in our morning announcements, and so just remind your students, ask them, what does Stingray Pride mean? And hopefully they'll be able to tell you. Final reminder has to do with our dress code. It's super important that every single day our students wear their Palm Springs Middle School t-shirts every day with closed-toed shoes and their student ID. If they forget any of these items and it's a repetitive thing, there will be progressive discipline. If you need help with purchasing school shirts, you need to talk to us so we can get your student in dress code. Every single student has been issued a free ID with a lanyard, but if they have lost it, they have to go to their grade level office to get it replaced. It is a non-negotiable, no excuses. And so, schedule for tonight, I hope you guys have a great time. You are lucky because you have 5 minutes to get in between classes when our students usually get 3. So when you're in your classes, you will have about 15 minutes to get to know each teacher, ask questions, but if there is something very specific to your child and maybe you want to schedule a one-on-one conference, make sure you do that in the grade level offices. Good luck, and I hope you have some fun tonight at Open House. Bye!